Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to make this beautiful crochet flowers. So I have made these using this DK weight acrylic yarn. You can use any yarn of your choice with a suitable crochet hook. And for making these I have used a 3.5mm crochet hook, and you will also need a scissor and yarn needle. So it's a very pretty and easy project. So let's get started. So first I have taken the white yarn. We are going to make a magic circle first. So that's a magic circle. Then here I'm going to chain 2. So this chain 2 counts as our first half double crochet. Then I'm going to chain 1 and work another half double crochet in the magic circle like this. So we have half double crochet, chain 1 and half double crochet. So like this we will repeat chain 1, then third half double crochet, chain 1, 4, chain 1, 5, chain 1, 6, chain 1, 7, chain 1, 8. So we have 8 half double crochets with chain 1 space. Now I'm going to pull this yarn tail and close the magic circle. Then we will work the last chain 1 and make a slip stitch on top of the first chain 2. So 1, 2. In the second chain we are going to make a slip stitch and cut off the yarn. So that will be the first round for our flower. So now I'm going to hide these yarn tails and then we will continue with the second round. So here I have hidden the yarn tails. Now for the next round I'm going to be using this orange color yarn. So we are going to work in any one of the chain 1 space that we made here. So pull the yarn to the front and then we will chain 3. 1, 2, 3. So this chain 3 counts as a double crochet and we are going to work 4 more double crochets in the same space. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have 5 double crochets here including the first chain 3. Now we are going to insert our hook on top of this first chain 3 that we made, and we are going to pass it through this loop right here and pull it to the front. So that will be our popcorn stitch. Then we will chain 3. 1, 2 and 3. Then we will work another popcorn stitch in the next chain 1 space. So we are going to work 5 double crochets first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we are going to insert our hook in this first stitch and pull this loop through the front for the popcorn stitch. Then we will chain 3 again and again work popcorn stitch in the next chain 1 space. So work 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then insert your hook through the top of the front stitch, pull the loop to the front. That's our third popcorn stitch. Then chain 3, again work popcorn stitch in the next chain 1 space. So work 5 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then insert your hook on top of the first stitch, pull this loop to the front, then chain 3. Then again popcorn stitch in the next chain 1 space. So work 5 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then pull this loop through the front. Then again chain 3. Do the same in the next chain 1 space. So 5 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then pull this loop through the front. Then again chain 3, popcorn stitch in the next chain 1 space. So 5 double crochets, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull the loop through the front, chain 3. Then in the next chain 1 space we will do the same. 5 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then pull this loop through the front of the first stitch, then chain 3. So we have made 8 popcorn stitches here. Now I'm going to make a slip stitch on top of the first popcorn stitch that we made. So insert your hook in the center and make a slip stitch. So that will be the end of this round. Then we will continue with the next round. For that I'm going to chain 3, and in this chain 3 space we are going to work a 4 DC cluster. That is, we are going to work 4 double crochets together. So make a double crochet and pass through the first 2 loops, and then again pass through the first 2 loops, then the third double crochet, pass through the first 2 loops, then the fourth double crochet, pass through the first 2 loops. Then we will pull through all the loops like this. Then we will chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then we will make a slip stitch on top of the next popcorn stitch. So here insert your hook in the center and make a slip stitch like this. So like this we will repeat. So chain 3, work 4 double crochets together in the space 1, 2, 3, 4. then pull through all the loops, then chain 3, slip stitch on top of the next popcorn stitch like this, and then chain 3, work 4 double crochets together in the next space, 1, 2, 3, 4, then pull through all the loops, chain 3, slip stitch on top of the next popcorn stitch, then we will chain 3 and continue the same pattern. So we have made 1, 2, 3 petals here, and I'm going to make 5 more and meet you here at this end. So here I'm near the end of this round. I have made chain 3 here. Now we will make a slip stitch here on top of this popcorn where we started this round. So insert your hook and make a slip stitch. I'm going to chain 1 and cut off the yarn. Pull the yarn through and make a knot to make it secure. So that's our flower. Now I'm going to hide this yarn tail. So thread it through a yarn needle. Then I'm going to pass it through the next stitch. Take it to the back like this. Now here we are going to pass this through stitches to make it secure. So just pass it through. So gently pass it through as many stitches as you want. So that should be enough. Now I'm going to cut off the excess yarn tail. So same way we can also hide this yarn tail over here. So I'm going to pass it through some stitches and pass this end through the needle here and gently pull this through. Cut off the excess yarn tail. So that's it. That's our flower pattern. So I hope you guys liked this video tutorial. So hit the like button, leave a comment below, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also hit the bell icon so you'll get all the notification for my new videos. Thanks for watching my video guys. Bye bye.